Hi, Namaste. My name is Dhio and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk a little about the most famous mantra, Om. Okay. Now whether you like it or you don't like it, whether you understand the language or you don't, whether you believe in Om or you don't believe in Om, your gender, nationality, religion, culture, belief, nothing really matters when it comes down to this mantra, because you've been chanting this mantra all your life without even realizing it. Okay, this is one mantra that you chant it or you don't chant it, it will always come to your rescue, and I'll tell you how further ahead in the video. Okay, so let's talk a little about this mantra now. Now everything in this universe, living or non-living, is vibrating at a particular frequency. The sound of that vibration is called Om. Okay, now in our scriptures it's very clearly written that Om in humans is a natural phenomena of opening and closing of the mouth. It's a normal action, a natural action. So now if I have to introduce myself, my name is Dhio. If you see my mouth, my name is Dhio, it sounds so natural, right? But the minute if I have to say my name is Dhio, it sounds unnatural, right? Okay, so this is how natural the mantra Om is chanted, and I'll tell you how. Does it sound natural? No. But the minute you keep your mouth closed, like how you would probably be talking to somebody and you say it, okay, it's now if I say oh, does it sound natural? Oh, no, it's not natural. It's not a natural phenomenon. You're making that effort to pout your lip to say oh, okay, but the natural phenomena is Om is said in 3 steps: A, and M. Okay, so if you don't see it as how it's written, O-M, and you start seeing it as A-U-M, it'll start making more sense to you. So when you chant Om, the first alphabet, A, vibrates here in your stomach. Okay, vibrating all your positive and negative emotions which are stored over here. If you watch my previous video, I've spoken about it in that. When you chant it vibrates here in the heart chakra, okay, in your heart, where a lot of love and hate is stored, so creating a balance in that. When you chant you feel the vibration over here enhancing your perception and opening the doorway to receive a lot of enlightenment. Okay, so now if you try chanting the word Om, and you will see the difference when you say Oh and when you say the word you will feel the difference over here in your stomach. Okay, so the right way of chanting is A-U-M. Now how does this work in our day-to-day life, what I've been saying, that you all have been saying it naturally? Okay, so now your outer world is a projection of your inner world. The easiest way to understand is when you go to a theater to watch a movie. Okay, you're watching a movie right in front of you, right? But where is the movie actually being played? Behind, in the projection room, right? So now if there is a technical glitch that's happening in front of you in the theater on the screen, do you go start fixing the screen, which is just a plain cloth? No, right? You go back into the projection room and you start fixing it. There's somebody over there who will fix it for you. So similarly, in your outer world, when there is a technical problem, let's call it a technical problem, if there is a problem, are you going to go fix it there, or you need to fix it in here? In here, right? So when you're chanting Om, which is your technical fix, okay, it's like the projector guy who's standing behind there fixing it for you. Here Om is that projection guy who's fixing it for you. Okay, so when you chant Om, you're not supposed to chant it outwards. No, the world doesn't need the universe doesn't need your vibration. You need your vibration to fix the outer world. Okay, so the more intense it is inside you, is the more it works for you. Okay, so now how have you been doing this on a day-to-day basis? I'll tell you. So the best example I can give you is do you see what I'm doing right now? So when you're having a conversation with somebody, or when you're talking to somebody about anything and you're trying to find the right emotion, you automatically start doing you're thinking from this part of your stomach where your emotions are, you're trying to bring out the right word to express yourself. Okay, similarly you're doing Okay, let's go for it. You've thought about what you were supposed to decide. You've thought about the answer you need to give that person over here from your perception. Okay, let's go for it. Let's go for it. You're not doing ooh, let's go for it, or ee, or eh. That's unnatural. Like I said, the scriptures have said it's a natural phenomena of opening and closing of the mouth. So when you are in a situation, there's a technical glitch in front of you. Okay, so naturally, Om has come to you. You're not taking a yoga mat at that time, sitting down cross-legged and saying Om and chanting. No, it's just happening so naturally for you. Okay, that vibration that you're thinking in that quick few seconds of no, I don't want to do it. It's giving you that vibration. It's giving you that knowledge that you require to attend to that situation that you are in right now, to choose the right emotion, to express it in words right now. So, is what the mantra is. That's how it's coming to your rescue every time, and now you can sit down and think about it. It happens so naturally. You've done it in the past. You will probably do it after watching this video. You'll be having a conversation with somebody about this video, and you might just go, and the guy said, you're bringing in those emotions out to choose the right word, to react the right way, to make the right decision. Okay, so this is the importance and beauty of this mantra. Even if you're doing it, great. Okay, if you're doing it on a day-to-day basis, do it the right way. Start calling it, start seeing it as AUM. When you see it and read it as AUM, you're going to start chanting it the right way, the natural way, how it was intended to be, how it is intended to be. So even if you're not, let's say you prefer doing the Om, you prefer doing that, but when the time comes, it will automatically be, it'll automatically be that. So this is the importance of this mantra, okay? But let it vibrate inside you. If you're sitting and you're going to be practicing it on a day-to-day basis, instead of screaming it out like most of the people are doing it, the world doesn't need that vibration. That vibration needs to be inside you. So do it the right way. Okay, don't blast it out, but instead just keep it more subtle. More deeper you keep it, the more the vibration you're going to start feeling inside. And try it yourself. And O is a huge difference. Okay, right now this is a natural phenomenon of opening and closing of the mouth. I'm not doing any of this. So this is the same thing with Om. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a like, share it with everyone, help people out. Until I see you again, have a good life. Namaste.